But the reduced waste flow, more than 3 times more than your salary. That company ordered me. My salary is 20,000 yen, so I have to make money maybe 60,000, more than 60,000 yen. General manager, maybe 100 times more than your salary. First say, yes, I can do it, and try before everything. When we start a second plant, which you saw this today, I asked engineers, some manager maybe, stop the sound from everywhere. And no sound now. Kanban collection sign, no speaker noise. Because the Lexus plant should be quiet, clean and quiet. So he said, impossible. I told him, okay, get away, get out. I will ask another guy. Yeah, we can do it. 1 week later, another meeting, Monday meeting. He said, we can do it, but need money. Need money. Okay, how much? Then he implemented PHS system in the plant side. And all team leader has an earphone. So I'm doing something here. So process 5 problem. And some call to Amezawa, so that I have an earphone. So Amezawa, you will contact office. And they try to use very low sound wheel or the dolly. And less usage of conveyor, power-free conveyor. It's noisy. So like a moving table, okay? So very quiet, but maybe quietest line in Toyota, in the world maybe, 68 decibel, right? Say, これ you can read it. Workplace is the teacher, you can find somewhere only the workplace. So that's the reason so my boss kicked my chair. Do anything immediately. Starting something right now is the only the way we should have said, I will do it tomorrow. Do it today. So when something happened in supplier parts, okay, you have to go to supplier. Never come back until you fix it. So I have to work maybe throughout the night. Sometime maybe in the morning, I got a countermeasure part and back to plant and test it. They're good, and call them, okay, that continue to produce that part. Then sleep in the office. No go home.
Okay. All right.